In today's video, I'm going to answer a question that I've been asked every single day for the past 2 weeks, and that is, does the binary destroyer work on futures? And the simple answer is, yes, it does. Before we get into this video, I want to give a big shout out to Roy, who is now 400 grand funded from the binary destroyer indicator, the Mogwai reversal to be precise. You know what? 400 grand is a lot of money, so congratulations to you. Anyway, if you're in America and it comes to prop firm trading, it has been chaotic for you for the past 2 weeks. So I'm not going to go into too much detail because it's already been covered a lot on YouTube. But essentially, if you're in the US, you can no longer trade Forex with prop firms. So basically, US regulation has said that prop firms can no longer accept US traders. So the only way, if you're in the US, to become funded or to trade with prop firms, you have to go down the futures route. So if in the US, you can do two things. You can either trade with your own personal capital, your own personal trading money on both futures and Forex trading with a broker. However, if you want to go down the funded route and get funded with, prop firm capital, the only way you can do that now or going forward essentially is if you trade futures. You can no longer trade Forex, okay, unless they're unregulated, but you don't really want to do that. So essentially futures. One of the questions I've been asked all the time is, does the binary destroyer work on futures? And the simple answer is yes, it does. The main reason is because the binary destroyer is based on simple price action techniques, support and resistance, trend trading, and that happens on all of the markets: stocks, futures, commodities, indices, gold, currency pairs, everything. If price is going up, it's trending up, whether that's on Apple stocks, whether that's on gold, whether that's on currency pairs, whether that's on futures. If price is going up, it is trending up, which means you'll get trends and pullbacks probably around to support and resistance levels. So the simple answer is yes. And we will do some simulating to show you. So just quickly, if you're going to want to go down the prop firm route in America, okay, I'm going to show you exactly how you would do it, what platform you would use. So essentially, you would have the binary destroyer on the TradingView platform, and then you would use a prop firm, and most future prop firms use a platform called Tradovate, okay? So some of the big futures prop firms like Topstep and Apex, those are some of the largest futures prop firms that you would use if you are in America. And most of them use Tradovate. So essentially, you would have the binary destroyer on TradingView, and then you would place your trades on Tradovate. Another good platform is NinjaTrader. I haven't got NinjaTrader here, but this is Tradovate. Now you can actually link Tradovate directly to TradingView. So if you go to the top right corner, I won't go into too much detail, but if you go to add-ons, essentially for £10 a month or $10 a month, it used to be free, you can link Tradovate to TradingView. So you can place trades directly on TradingView, and they would copy to Tradovate, which would then be linked to your prop firm challenge or your broker account. Okay, so you'd analyze the binary destroyer on TradingView and then place your trades on Tradovate, either directly on TradingView, or you'd have to have two platforms side by side, which is perfectly normal because that's how most traders trade. I trade on TradingView and then I'll place my trades on the MT4 app. So essentially, if you want to trade prop firms, you're going to have to learn about Tradovate or NinjaTrader. Okay, but that's essentially how you would do it. Okay, so let's do some simulating now on futures. Now, I've actually kind of had to do a quick learning on futures. I don't trade futures. It's a bit of a history lesson because I used to trade futures years and years ago when I had the option of like binary, Forex, or futures, I kind of looked into futures, and it's kind of a, kind of a history lesson on remembering the terms, because when you're trading futures, it is exactly the same in terms of the strategy, the binary destroyer. However, different terminologies. So for instance, here in Forex, we talk about pips, 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips. With futures, it's called ticks, 10 ticks, 20 ticks. So when I say ticks, it's actually pips, okay? And when you take trades, you use something called lot sizes in Forex. In futures, it's not called lot sizes, it's called contracts. So you would say, I'm taking 10 contracts for 10 ticks, which basically means 10 lots for 10 pips. Okay, so it's different terminology, but the actual trading and the method is pretty much exactly the same. So I actually have on my charts in front of me 6E1. Okay, now this is actually euro. Okay, this is the exact same as euro USD. So this is futures trading now with the binary destroyer, and this is a euro futures. Now this is exactly the same. If I just show you, just look at the sell and look at the buy. This is the exact same as Forex euro USD. As you will see here, look, the exact same. It looks the same. It's the same signals. It is the exact same. So do not be worried if you have to start trading futures. It is pretty much, if you are trading futures currency pairs, they are the same as Forex trading pairs. Okay? The exact same. Look here, look at Euro USD. You've got a buy, you've got a sell. Okay? Let me find you another trade, another one. Here, okay? A sell. If I go to now futures euro, which is going to be here, it is the exact same. It is the exact same. Okay, let me load it up here. So same again, you have buy, you have sell, and we'll find that sell here, which was a loss there. Okay, you've actually got a buy just there as well. I don't think you got that on you. Let me have a quick look here. Okay, let me have a quick look. Hold on here, let it load. No, okay, so you see that buy just there. You didn't actually get that on Euro USD, but you actually got that on the Euro futures, which is quite interesting, because that one is actually, if I just load it up here, is a winner just there. Look at here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to quickly go back in my charts like this here, and we're going to do some simulating with futures, okay? So I'm going to stop this just here. So let's go here, replay, done. So we are now futures trading. Let's say imaginary. We're going to futures trade with the binary destroyer on euro, okay? And again, it doesn't matter what you're trading. It's going to be the exact same. It really is. It's the same strategies. It's the same logic. Everything's the same. The only thing that's different is when you place the trade, because you're talking about ticks and contracts, which is obviously different to pips and lot size. So what you do on TradingView is the same. What's going to be different is obviously when you go to Tradovate and you're having to place the trades. You're going to have to work out your risk, your stop loss and take profit, because it's not in pips no more. It's going to be in ticks, okay? So if I just press play on this simulator, so basically Mogwai reversal strategy, I'm looking for a sell because we're below the moving average. Okay, so I'm looking for a pullback. Okay, how do I know a pullback? Because I confirm it by the MACD going overbought. So at the minute we have no setup. We're now in an uptrend. So now looking for buys. Okay, which funny enough is there. Okay. So now I have a buy signal. We're above the moving average. The TCA lines turn green, if you want to say that. We are taking a buy trade. Okay, so this is now futures trading. So we would take a buy. Where's my oh, I don't know. There we go here. I'm going to take a long position here. So I would take a trade. Now remember, this is telling me it's around 20 pips. Okay, I assume that's 20 pips. But obviously when you're actually placing this trade on futures, it would be different. It would be contracts and ticks, Remember that. That's the part you're going to have to learn. But the strategy, the same. Okay? So we're going to take a trade. As soon as the trade goes to a 1-to-1, what I will do is I will move my stop loss to break even. Okay, so I'm just at the minute price is going sideways. So it's not doing what I want it to do. I might close it off a little bit early. We'll see what happens. Or we might get stopped out. Bang. Okay, so we've now lost, or we haven't lost 1% yet. Now we've lost 1%. So now we're down 1%. So we're just going to carry on now. And we're going to wait for the next setup that appears. And we'll take the trade. Okay. So we now have another sell. Okay. We're below the moving average. This is the first pullback. We've now got a sell. We've lost 1%. Let's make 2% profit. Yeah. So we're going to take a sell here. And I'm going to put this like here. Let's go with, again, let's go with a little bit small. Let's go with 15 pips. But obviously 15 pips will be, 15 ticks. Okay. And again, we're going to monitor the trade. We're going to see what happens here. We're going sideways at the minute. What we at? 15. So we need to be realistically, if I want a 1-to-2 out of this one, we need to be 30. There we go there. So are we going to get 30 out of this trade? It would be nice. Okay, I've got a second setup there, but I wouldn't take that because I'm already in the trade. Hopefully we come down to 30. Come on, come down. Here we go. Here we are going to eventually come down. It's being a little bit slow, which kind of worries me. Okay, I might actually consider what we're at now. We're at 15. Yeah, okay, so we're at 20 pips. So we're at over a 1-to-1. So what I'm going to do is, because it's slowly coming down, right? It's slowly coming down. Tells me that it's not really a strong downtrend. I'm going to reduce that risk. I'm going to start to take profit, okay? So let's say I've just made my 1% back. I've moved my stop loss to break even, and I'm going to see if I can get a 1-to-2 out of this trade. But bear in mind, it won't be 2% profit made because I've closed 80% of the position. Okay, so I've took profit on this trade. I've moved my stop loss to break even, and will I get a 1-to-2? Beautiful. Oh, hang on here. That was close. Come on, come down. Come on, come down. It's like, oh, there we go there. Bang. Just hit it there. Okay. So now I've closed it off. I've made around 1.5% on this trade, or let's say 1.8%. Okay. So I'm now up just under 1%. So that's essentially how you manage it. Okay. Now, would I take any of these sells? No, because I'd already be in the sell at the top there. Okay, I would never re-enter a trade where I'm already in a trade. Okay, it doesn't make sense. Okay, because you have to think about it logically. If you're going to take this sell here, the question would be, why are you not still in a trade? If you sold here, you'd be in a better trade or better price than you would be here, if that makes sense. Okay, so you never really, I see a lot of people add into their position, and yes, it is great to add to your winning positions, but you have to remember, if you're in a downtrend, right, it would be stupid to sell there because you don't know now that this is not the bottom of a downtrend. You see? Okay, you see, you would have got stopped out because you don't know if that's the bottom of the downtrend. Here we go here. So now I've got buy signals. Okay, so this is now an uptrend. I'm going to take a buy trade. So same again. This is futures trading. I'm going to take a trade. We'll go with 15 contracts or 15 pips, whatever you want to call it. We'll go for a minimum 1-to-2, but same again. We will watch it to see what happens. Okay. Okay, so price is starting to go up. Did I get a 1-to-1? Nope. Okay, so 1-to-1 has not been hit yet. Let's see what happens. Okay, and I get, oh, that's annoying, and I get stopped out, and then price rockets up. How annoying is that? If I get another buy trade, I'm taking that. No, I didn't. Okay, so now we kind of break even at the minute. Okay, so we're going to carry on there. That's annoying. Really annoying. Okay, so here we go here. We're in another trade. I'm going to take this. I'm going to get a 1-to-2 out of this one because I don't like being stopped out and then potentially winning a trade. I hate it when that happens. How many times that happened? You take a trade, stops you out, and then it goes flying. And you're like, why? It's almost like you knew my stop loss was there. and you start screaming at the computer going, why is the market something against me? So we're in another trade now. We're going to go for a straight 1 to 2. We're going to sit, oh, beautiful, beautiful, bang, beautiful. What I like to see, as everybody says, winner, winner, chicken dinner. So now we're up about 2%. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. That couldn't have been any more perfect. Okay, so this is futures trading. So we're going to carry on here. What we on? Wednesday the 28th. So this is last Wednesday. Okay, so we're going to do another Thursday and Friday. I don't know how much profit we made. Let's just say we made 2%. I mean, we lost that one. We made 2% back. So let's say we're around 2%. So we're going to carry on. We're just going to carry on, carry on, carry on. Price is going sideways. Oh, by the way, I want to tell you a little secret, BD members. We had this conversation this morning. Only a BD member that watched this video this morning, you'll know what I mean. Remember the video where I talked about the diversion arrow just there? If I zoom in here, right? Do you remember that little you remember the video I talked about diversion arrow and Mogwai reversal signal when you have them both together? Look at that one. That's the reason why. See here? Oh, that one's actually a loss, but that one would have won anyway. But again, keep note of this one. Look at this one here. Look at that beautiful win just there. See that one there? That beautiful win just there. Remember? Diversion signal. Keep an eye on that one. Diversion signal, diversion signal, Mogwai reversal signal. Two of those combinations together. Remember that. Okay, top tip. Anyway, we're going to carry on with this simulating. So, futures trading, so same again. We're at Thursday. Here we go. Here we're going to get a sell. Come on, pull back, pull back. Oh, that's annoying. It just touched the EMA. We didn't get a signal. So we're going to carry on here. How long is this video going on for? We're going to take probably 1 or 2 more trades. We're going to take 2 more trades because this video has been going on for 17 minutes and you lot get bored after 10 minutes. Okay, so again, we're still going sideways. There's no trade. There's no setup. Okay, what's happening? We're still going sideways. We're still going sideways. Oh, hang on here. I've got a setup here apparently. Okay, get rid of that one. I'm going to get rid of that one there. Okay, hang on here. I might get a buy. I might... Ooh, that was close. Okay, looks like we're going into an uptrend. It looks like we're going into an uptrend. Pull back, pull back. Nope. Okay, now it looks like we're going into a downtrend. Ah, here we go here. Beautiful. Okay, so beautiful. Okay, trend down, pull back, first pull back. Beautiful. Okay, same again. Keep an eye on this, BD members. Look at that diversion signal just there on the MACD. Diversion signal, Mogwai signal. Watch this. You ready? This should go for a straight 1 to 2. Okay, so same again. I'm going to go with... Let's go with a 12 pip stop loss on this one. 24 pip take profit. But obviously, if you're trading futures, this would be ticks and contracts. Okay. Do we get a 1 to 2 out of this trade? Beautiful. How? That's annoying. Come down. Beautiful. So we're now made, what's that? 4%? 4% done. We'll take 1 more trade. Okay. 1 more trade together. Okay. Again, see how price is still going down. Okay. Oh, here we go here. Here we go here. Beautiful. Give me a signal. Oh, there we go there. It's touched the EMA, but we're going to take this one. Same again. Remember what I said? MACD signal. Let me rephrase that. Mogwai reversal signal. Diversion arrow. Literally at the same time. So again, we're going to go for a straight 1 to 2 on this one. 1 to 2. We'll go with a 25 pip stop loss. Obviously 25 ticks if you're talking that. Let's go with, what's that, 50 pips, should we say? What I might do is I might actually manage this because 50 pips is quite big. It's quite high up. So I'm going to manage this. I'm going to go for 1 to 1. I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. So what we at now? What did I have? 25 pip stop loss. So 25 pips. Oh, did not get hit. Let's see what happens. Do I get 25 pips? Okay, I got stopped out. That's annoying. Okay, so we'll take 1 more trade. We'll take 1 more trade together. Okay, We'll take one more trade. Here we go. Here. Bang. Is that a signal? No, it's not a signal. Okay, we're going into a downtrend. We're going into a downtrend. No signal here. Ooh, I'm not going to take that trade. I'm going to get another signal here. Am I going to get another signal? No. I'm not going to take that trade because that is not a strong pullback. Okay, look at that. Look at that tiny pullback. When I want to see a pullback, I want to see a pullback, like an actual pullback. See that pullback? Okay, look at this pullback. Pullback. That is not ideal. Obviously, if the signal happened here, that would be perfect, but it didn't. It happened here, so I'm not interested in that one. That one's not. I'm not interested. So we're going to take one more trade, everyone, and we're going to call that a day. Going sideways again. Going sideways. Come on, give me one more signal. Come on. Nice big move up would be nice. And then a pullback. Here we go here. Here we go here. Here we go here. You ready? 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 Price going to pull back. Come on. Be nice. That's what you need to do. You're going to pull back. Here we go here. Bang. Come on. Oh, why didn't I get a... Oh, that's annoying. That's annoying. Okay, I'm not taking any more. I'm not taking a signal here. Okay, well now it looks like we're going back down into a downtrend. Okay, come on, come down. Here we go here. Pull back, pull back. Oh, I will get a signal eventually. We're just going to sit and wait. We're going to sit and wait. Do, 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 do. So this is literally live right now. These are the two trades back to back right now on Euro on futures. Okay. Which I've actually just explained at the start of this video, which I kind of know they win anyway, but I'll show you. Okay. So at the minute we are going sideways. We're going sideways. We're going sideways. Come on, do something. Okay. This is 4 a.m. this morning. So this is this morning. This is this morning. Here we go here. We're going to pull back. We're going to pull back. Yeah, there we go there. Bang. Okay, so here we go here. This is the trade that happened this morning. So I'm going to take a sell here. So this is a sell. Short position just there. Again, I'm going to go with 9 pip stop loss. 9 pip stop loss, 18 pip take profit. But same again, what I'll do, as soon as the trade goes to 9 pips, I'll move my stop loss to break even. So what we at now, that is 13 pips. So let's say at 13 pips, I close off 80% of the trade. I move my stop loss to break even. So I'm at break even now. Do I get 18 pips out of this trade? Hopefully we win. No. Okay, we get stopped out, but it doesn't matter. We made money. And then we're going to take another trade right now, okay, which is a buy, which is literally happening right now. This is live right now. If I just press stop on this replay, okay, this is that buy right here. So same again, I would take this buy. Obviously, it's maybe touched the EMA, so I might not take it. But for the purpose of this video, I will take a long position here. I'd probably go with an 8 pip stop loss. Will the trade go 8 pips? No, I'd technically still be in the trade. Stop loss hasn't been hit. 1-to-1 hasn't been hit, so I'd still be in the trade. And just to kind of wrap up, Euro on futures is the exact same as Euro USD because look, I've got the exact same trade here. Okay, I'd still be in the same trade if I took this on Euro USD or I took this on futures. So to wrap up, yes, the buy and destroyer works on futures. You would trade the buy and destroyer on TradingView, and then you would use an external platform like Tradovate to trade your futures prop account or personal broker account. So yes, hope you enjoyed that video. My name's Jamie Palmer.